M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So this is the DVMEGA Globetrotter. If you've not heard of it, it's an Ambi server and an Ambi dongle in one. It uses the blue DV system, which you will recognize. It looks like this, and you can use DMR, D-Star, Fusion. When you've got it in Ambi server mode, it sends out a Wi-Fi signal. You download the app to your Android device, and you can fully control D-Star, DMR, D-Star on your ham radio using your smartphone, or it could be even a network radio, as long as it's got an Android system running on it. Or you can just plug it via just a USB cable straight into your computer, Windows computer, and control it. It's exactly the same window, but the configuration is different. So that's what it is. That's what they call it, the Globetrotter. The good thing about using Wi-Fi is that you can actually use an IP address of your home when you're anywhere in the world with the correct configuration and the correct ports opened on your router, broadband router, which I think is 2460 is the one they tend to use. So in this video, I just thought I'd look inside it. So I've just taken the 4 screws off the back there, just normal, just black screws there, came off very easy. And I'm going to undo the power now. Just have a quick look, so I'm interested to know what's in there. So the bottom is just the housing, and you've got some numbers there at the back that are bespoke to this particular unit. The front, you've got the menu, OK, and reset buttons. And at the back here, this is the board that's inside. So it's a DVMEGA Ambi, and it's version 1.2. It's made by DVMEGA. So we're going to take off these 4 screws and just have a quick look, see what we've got. So on this side, you've got the OLED screen, just a standard OLED screen. Mine is a bit pixelated, so it might actually need a new one. And to change it, you'd have to desolder it. I probably won't bother, because I can see everything that I need to see. But OLED screen there, and on this side here, you've got what's that? I don't actually know what that is. Let's see if we can zoom in. What is it? It's an ESP32. So someone tell me what that does. That's an Ambi, so that I'm guessing that's what decodes your DMR. You've got some components there. It's a micro USB. I wonder if they'll bring out a micro USB, a USB-C eventually. And the silver screws are what hold it in place. So yeah, interesting. So I'll put it back together. Not really sure what that does. And you've got the buttons there, look. Spacers that are required. So putting it back together. Just going to lay it there. Line it up with we've got this the right way around, yeah, with the micro USB. Actually, it looks like the screws go here, like so. Let's just tighten them up. Okay, screws back in. And we'll get the back on again. See, it only goes one way, yeah, because you've got the groove for the USB. And then it's just 4 black screws in these corners. And then we'll turn it back on. Let's plug the power in. Just remember with micro USB, get it the right way around, because you will break it. Comes to life. And let's have a quick look at some of the selections. We'll go down through with the menu button. Ambi server, straight away when I pushed there, it gave the IP address, which is like 108. Status, Ambi server. Wonder if we can change that. Ambi server, IP. Like I said, I've got a bit of pixelation in my screen, but it's still fine. Port 2460, that looks like that's the port. I'm connected as well. Screensaver off. reboot, press OK. All right, well, there's a bit of a teardown. We are going to do a configuration, get this working on one of my digital radios. Thanks for watching. 7.3, all the best.